Ever wondered how software stores and manages information? It all starts with variables. In this video, we're diving into Python variables, how to create them, use them, and avoid common mistakes. Whether you're just starting out or need a quick refresher, this is the foundation of writing clean and efficient Python code. Let's get started. What are variables? A variable in Python is a named storage location used to store data. Think of it as a labeled container that holds information, which can be accessed and modified as needed. Variables allow us to work with different types of data dynamically within a program. In Python, variables are created when you assign a value to a name using the assignment operator equals. Unlike some programming languages, Python does not require the variable's data type to be specified on creation. The type is inferred based on the assigned value. Let's look at some examples in vscode. X equals 10. Name equals Alice. Pi equals 3.14. Is valid equals true. Variables list equals X, name, pi, and is valid. In the above example, X stores an integer. Name holds a string. Pi contains a floating point number. Is valid is a Boolean value. Variables list is a list that contains all the variables. When naming variables in Python, follow these rules. Variable names must start with a letter, lowercase a to z, capital A to z, or an underscore, but not a number. The name can contain letters, digits, 0 to 9, and underscores but no spaces. Variable names are case-sensitive. myvar and myvar are different. Avoid using Python reserved keywords. Example: if, for, while. Let's look at some valid and invalid examples. Valid examples. Age equals 25. Underscore first underscore name equals John. Height underscore and underscore inches equals 70. Invalid examples. Second underscore place equals runner-up starts with a number. My hyphen variable equals 50 uses a hyphen instead of an underscore. If equals condition uses a reserved keyword. Reassigning variables in Python are dynamic, meaning their values can be updated at any time. X equals 5. Print X output is 5. X equals hello. Print X output is now hello. Python allows assigning multiple variables in one line. A, B, C equals 1, 2, 3. Print A, B, C. Output is 1, 2, 3. You can also assign the same value to multiple variables. A equals B equals C equals 100. Print A, B, C. Output is 100 for A, B, and C. Operations variables can be used in mathematical and logical operations. X equals 10. Y equals 5. Sum underscore result equals X plus Y. This is an example of addition. Print sum underscore result. Output is 15. Now let's do subtraction, multiplication, and division. Subtract equals X minus Y. Multiply equals X times Y. Divide equals X divided by Y. Print subtract. Output is 5. Print multiply. Output is 50. Print divide. Output is 2. To check the data type of a variable, use the type function. X equals 10. Y equals Python. Print type X. Output is class int, short for integer. Print type Y. Output is class str, short for string. Why variables matter? Variables make programs more readable, reusable, and dynamic. Without them, managing data would be inefficient and cumbersome. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of variables in Python, including declaration, naming conventions, reassignment, and data type conversions. Mastering variables is a crucial step toward writing efficient Python programs. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Happy coding!